Hey everyone, come do a daily reset with me. Today we're going to be starting off downstairs in my bar area. My kids had dinner not too long ago, so I'm going to go ahead and clean this area up. Then I'm going to go ahead and start decluttering and organizing some of my kids' paperwork, homework, things that they brought from school recently before heading upstairs into my kitchen and cleaning my kitchen since I did just make dinner not too long ago. Then I'm going to go ahead and organize my daughter's room with her. We're going to try and declutter some stuff out of her room, do a little bit of cleaning in the bathroom, and just picking up general things.
We're trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like the drive, get down dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. Oh, in transits, going off to different places, different planets.
If you're familiar with my channel, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Helena. I'm a mom of two. I do cleaning, organizing, decluttering, clean with me videos for cleaning motivation, as well as some DIY and design. And if this is the type of content that you enjoy, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.
Pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. I didn't by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. Whoa. I won't make it easy for you now.
Today I've got a few weeks worth of kids' homework to go through. I usually keep everything in a pile for, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 weeks just in case that they need it. Maybe it was an assignment that wasn't recorded and that I'm going to get notification that it has to be turned in, and I can kind of go back through and I guess grab that if it's in the pile. So I do wait like 3 to 4 weeks before I go ahead and declutter all of their stuff, and it is time to declutter. I have a bag underneath the table that has just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff that they get from school. I'm gonna have to go through that as well and declutter that.
You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want.
Right now, I've asked my daughter to start decluttering her room. I want her to go through some of the toys that she doesn't play with anymore, that we can donate, we can give away, and go through what is also trash, what may be broken, and start separating that while I go into the bathroom and tidy up our upstairs bathroom. And they just took baths, so I'm going to go ahead and just tidy up the bathtub, put all of the things that we've used for the day away. I also just restocked on toilet paper, so I'm going to go ahead and put all of the toilet paper into a bin and store that.
So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint. You got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry.
My son currently has his online debate class, so I'm going to go ahead and leave him alone and leave the kitchen alone. It's such a mess right now, but I'm going to head into my daughter's room and I'm going to help her declutter. She did a good job. She got a few bags. She got a donate bag and then she got a garbage bag. So we're going to go ahead and the things that she wants to keep is going to go into that toy chest, the purple one behind her. She's going to put that there, but she did a good amount of decluttering and I am proud of her because too many things are just, it's just too overwhelming and we just need a simpler life.
Everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes.
I will say that I am just absolutely over the overconsumption of stuff, just the tons of buying things. My kids got a lot of things for Christmas just from like family and friends and relatives. And while I am grateful for all of the things that they have gotten, it is also very overwhelming to have that many things. They can't really focus on one or two things when they've got 15 things and they don't even know what to play with. So in our old house, I did definitely do a toy rotation. Here, I don't have the space to kind of put toys into the side. So they're just kind of everywhere. I do have to get an idea of how we can do a better toy rotation into this house because it is just overwhelming. Our house is small. We really don't have the space. So we really just have to declutter and minimalize.
Reasoning about
On a different day, I do plan on going and decluttering a lot of her clothes. I don't want to get everything started today. Today is just a quick cleanup. That was the whole purpose of this video, is that I'm always doing a little bit day by day, and I always basically am cleaning the kitchen, just kind of tidying up bathrooms, always doing laundry. That's like my daily routine, and I am sometimes trying to get a little bit of decluttering in on that daily routine.
No time and you don't want to waste your love. Even though your kiss on fire, my mind is all blurry now. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both lied everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed, I wanna hold you, come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. I can tell what time it is. The thing is I don't really care, 'cause I got no place to be other than right here. You look so good wrapped in those sheets. You sound so nice, mumble while you sleep. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know.
After making dinner, I'm going to go ahead and clean all of the countertops and clean the stove and tidy up the kitchen area. We honestly don't ever really eat up here. I just cook, and I kind of bring it downstairs to the bar area where the family room is, because if you watch my other videos, then you know that we spend majority of that time downstairs. Even when we wake up in the morning, we go downstairs and we make a cup of coffee. That way we don't intrude and wake the kids up if we are up super early, because the house is small. You can hear everything if you are upstairs, and there's no need to wake up our kids at like 5:40 if we're up and they still have a good 30 minutes of sleeping.
I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both lied everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed, I wanna hold you, come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. You look so good wrapped in those sheets. You sound so nice, mumble while you sleep. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest.
I'm going to go ahead and tidy up the upstairs, and I just got an Amazon package in. I just got these probiotics. This is my second purchase of a Megaspore. Highly recommend them. If you guys are looking for a good probiotic, I will have this linked in my description, and I'm just going to finish up and throw a few things away. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a comment, leave a like, and subscribe to my channel. I love hearing from everyone in the comments below.